Welcome back to part 2 of this TZR 4FL revival. We're trying to get this bike back on the road, restore it to a bit of a former glory. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, you can go and check that out if you want. In this video, we're going to be spraying the wheels, replacing the wheel bearings and tyres. So stay tuned, watch along and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help my channel grow if you want to see more bikes on the channel. Don't forget, if you're a new viewer and you haven't seen part 1, you can go and check that out if you would like to. I refurbished and rebuilt the engine and it looks fantastic. This rear wheel's been pretty tricky. Like I said, it's been sat here for about 5 years. I mean, the grease has gone all dry and it does not want to come out too easily at all. Well, that was much harder than it looked. That was quite a struggle to get that out. But we're out. The wheel should come off quite easily now. Give it a tug. We should be in business. That's the first wheel off. Let's get the second one off. I can only hope it goes a bit smoother and a bit easier. Just got this front wheel to remove now, and then we can get on with replacing the bearings, tyre and get this wheel sprayed. Wheel number 2 is now finally off. That was so much easier than the rear wheel. Alright, well, it's time to get these bearings knocked out and replaced. It's quite a simple, easy job. Yeah, that bearing has had it. It's shot onto the other side. Now the old bearings have been knocked out, go ahead and install our new bearings. Now, I'm just going to give a few taps on the outer race of this bearing. It won't damage it, and all I'm doing is trying to straighten it up so it goes in without damaging the wheel. I don't have this top sprocket bearing and seal at the moment. It didn't come in the kit, but as soon as I order and get one, I will be replacing it. With the rear wheel bearings done, we'll move on to the front now, get those out of the way, and then should have a lovely smooth set of bearings. The front bearings are nowhere near as bad as the rear, but we've got a brand new set of replacement bearings, so we're going to put them in anyway. That's the wheel bearings replaced, so on to replacing the tyre now. We'll just pull this old tyre off because it's pretty cracked and corroded, and we'll replace it with a new one. Onto the final part of this video now. Just spray these wheels up. Gonna get 2 or 3 coats of satin black trade paint on them. I can't remember if I mentioned previously or not, but this is mainly going to be a home restoration. Whatever we can get done ourselves, we're going to do ourselves. We're not going to send anything out. We're just going to get it done. And well, that just about completes the refurbishment of these TZR 4FL wheels. We've done the bearings, we've done the tyre on the rear, and we've given them a lick of paint. And I think they look absolutely fantastic. Really fresh set of looking wheels now. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll catch you again in another one. You can also check out some of my other videos.